spent all morning cleaning the boat. I'm really proud of how clean my roof is, my ceiling. It was covered in mold. Kevin's got a few projects going. I'll show you.
I bought these brand new. They've been on the boat for like a month.
This is what happens when you don't have the expensive stainless steel tools on a boat. The project for now is to swap out the starter batteries. What you doing under there right now?
Emptying the build. Turn the battery off. This guy had a lot of cool stuff here. You know, a lot of cool parts.
Be prepared.
Be prepared.
Or should it be idling at?
This is neutral. You pull this out right here. Then you're in neutral.
You pull it out?
Yeah, you pull it out. See, I'm tugging it out. There's a gap. That's so. It's in neutral, and I'm revving the engine right here.
Okay.
No transmission. It's gonna pop in. Now it's in neutral.
You always have to pull it out when it's in neutral?
Just if you want to rev the engine.
Okay. Truman likes to fly a kite.
Don't give me my thick eyes. I'm pitch black. Actually, not that weak.
Got him.
No, you can't
I got
see
him.
him right now.
Alright, I'll stop so I don't find him. Ah, I lied!
We're about to catch up with that monohull. You think we're faster?
Yeah, because the monohull is moving super slow and it's probably not even moving at all. Dad, how fast are we going?
I'll show you.
You broke the rules.
5.6.
5.6 knots?
Yep.
So, Dad, what if we're having our motors on all the way? What if we're going 8 knots with that?
Yeah, but then we would be burning diesel. Right now we're just burning wind.
What's burning diesel mean?
Gasoline. There's a special type of fuel called diesel, and that runs the engines. But right now they're running for free.
The engines are running free?
Well, there's no engines. The engines are the sails.
I know I'm not using the engine.
That is a submarine.
Coming in for landing.
That is so cool. How many seals are on that? None.
3. 3. They're like strapped in. What?
They're strapped in. They're not strapped.
Yes, they are.
No, look at there's 2 babies up there.
Oh,
You see them?
that's so cute. Mom, look, that's how big the submarine is.
Okay, check this out.
Hi!
Yeah, keep waving to us. It looks like they're being escorted in by a boat. Look at all those birds on the back of the sub. Oh, he's waving at you.
Both of us have.
By the flag. Do you see him waving?
Yeah.
You gotta put your hand up high.
I'm trying to figure it. I'm trying to make sure
You're gonna wave him down?
No, Mom. I'm trying
I wanna ride!
No, Mom. No, Mom.
I wanna ride!
No, Mom.
You're gonna flag him down so they come next to us?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Mom, look, what is that boat chasing?
He's just going around him. He's their escort.
Really?
Yep.
I know the sun. Let's go, German. That's pretty cool.
That
You didn't
is
get to go
very
in that
cool.
submarine, actually, Mom. You didn't get to go in one of those.
No, that's pretty cool. Now you've seen every military vessel in the Navy.
Yeah. saw fighter jets.
It's right there. There's a submarine over there, and there's a boat right there. It's Submarine. It's really cool.
There's all our dirty clothes. Kevin. Tightening the jib. So how are you feeling about going on a 2-year sabbatical on this boat with your monsters?
Monsters no matter what, so that doesn't really factor into it.
That was the sound of something breaking.
On the ground because he was holding it weird.
What's the damage report? That's okay because Kevin didn't like those bowls anyways.
But the shop vac runs off the inverter. That's cool.
And he did our laundry off the inverter as well. So I should probably go take our underwear off.
Go check see if there's anything else in the laundry.
This is our first really good wind sail in the boat. So it's been fun. Besides monsters. One of the projects for this trip was to take off this because Kevin is going to try to fix the hours on the motor. It's not working, so he's trying to fix that.
You guys eat your hot dogs already? What do you got for dinner? You're gonna drop it. If you're gonna drop it, it's not even in there, buddy.
Night has come. It's our first night ride. The screen's too bright for Kevin, so he's driving with his foot. We have to come through this rocky shoal section to get to our marina. So basically we follow the red and green lights. Red on the right, green on the left. Last project for this trip.
Toilets.
There's the good helpers. Look at them helping. They're working so hard. Working up a sweat in there.
So we're going to replace this pump. This is the jabsco hand pump. And it squirts. You can see water squirting right here. See? Squirt, squirt, squirt. For $100 you get a new pump which has all new parts. And so rather than rebuilding the pump and spending maybe $50 on seals, I'm putting a whole new pump in and getting all new pieces. This is the replacement pump you get for $100 on Amazon. I'm sure you can buy them somewhere else too. You want some more money? I bought it on Amazon. So it comes with a lot of new valves. This is the pump, and inside, the thing that always goes bad is this valve inside of here. It's called the, I think it's called the Joker valve. You can't really see it. It's like a little tri-valve.
By the way, all 4 of the toilets squirt when we bought the boat.
Yeah, all 4 of them have this problem.
What's the time, you?
12:45. I think I can do the whole thing in 20 minutes.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
I'm going to stop the sink. I just got to get the hoses off. These draw seawater in. That's seawater coming in. You don't want to tighten stuff up until the very end. You need everything to be able to shift around so once you get it into place.
You gotta get real close up with the toilet. Nice and intimate. You give it a big hug.
If you have 5 kids, then, you know, getting up close personal to crap and vomit. It's kind of just something you had to get used to.
Hey, don't mess with that man.
Where are we?
In the middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere.
We're in the ocean.
Here we are. We're a couple miles off the coast. Just checking out the ocean today. You can never really tell how the swell is on camera. Give it a little forward thrust and let's get the heck out of here.
Look at, I can see our house in the distance. I just got it. Yeah. Like it's not very nighttime. I see blue. Yeah.
We're going on an adventure under the boat. We had to check the bottom to see if it needs to be scraped. Me and Truman. What do you think, Truman? Does it need to be scraped?
Yeah, it does.
Alright, here we go.
I've been under here before.
On the kayak.
Yeah.
Breathe.
Throw him in! Okay.
No, we need. Oh! Cool noodle, please.
No, here, grab it. You said you like salty water.
Go under the door, Kevin.
You have paper? Okay.
I'll meet you at the other end.
Here we go, guys. Swimming through
I've been under here.
the boat.
I've been under your kayak.
Following
I've
the
been
kayak.
under here. Yeah.
Nice swimming, guys.
I think we can attract fish.
That'd be fun.
Fishing.
Oh, by the way, now's a good time to
Yes.
Don't pee in the ocean.
Dad, come back. Oh, I just swam before. Dad, I don't need your help. I'm just fast without flippers too.
All right.